I'm on my Windows machine here, and as a prerequisite for this demo, you need to install Telnet client and SMTP. Now open Wireshark and make sure you are doing a capture on the loopback or on the local host. Now let's open the command terminal and let's try sending an email through Telnet. First of all, Telnet the SMTP server on port 25. If the Telnet is able to connect, you should be able to see the welcome banner. The first command to send is hello. Some servers accept hello on its own, and some servers require a literal, so just type hello server. Next, use the command mail from to tell the remote server who the email is from. Here I am using info@testdomain.com, which is a fictitious email that I've created on my local mail server. Press enter, and now use the command rcpt2 to tell the server who to deliver the email to. Open this address here, tempale.com, and you will have a temporary email address. Just copy that and go to the terminal again and paste the email. The final step for the bare minimum set of commands is the data command. So just type data and press enter. If you want to send a blank message, just type period and press enter. Else you can use subject command and then type your message, then type period and press enter. If the message is queued for delivery, then it has been accepted by the server. Now type quit command to terminate the session, and let's go back to Wireshark. Go to the display filter and type SMTP and press enter. In the info column here, you'll be able to see all the communication between the server, which starts with S, and the client, which starts with C. To be able to see it in a better layout, just right click, press on follow, and press on TCP stream. Here you'll be able to see all the messages from the server in blue and all the replies from the client in red. Now let's go to the temporary mailbox and see if the message was delivered. As you can see here, I have two messages. This one is from a previous test. Just click on that and you will see the body here.